Hi guys, welcome back to the Daily Talk. Today I'm going to talk about school. I decided to change the topic to school every day. So right now, just enjoy. Well, the first thing we did at in-person school was, uh, morning meeting. We said, more afternoon meeting maybe. We call it morning meeting in our Zoom class, but it doesn't say afternoon meeting in person. It still says morning meeting, which doesn't make sense at all. And we say good morning to each other. So our teacher, Miss Kwok, who is subbing for Miss Riker because her husband died, um, she says good morning to me. I say good morning, Miss Kwok back, and then I say it to someone else. Someone else says good morning to me. Good morning, Kingsley. Good morning, Keaton. And then Keaton says good morning, whatever, and then it goes on. So that's pretty much the first thing. And after that, we pretty much had to do we had to finish our art gallery, which is basically the thing that you draw a bunch of houses. And before I only did two out of four. So right now, the third sister says that she wants a house made out of fabric that can keep you warm inside. So I decided. So I decided to make a house made out of cotton, which might be too warm. So that's why I put a bunch of air conditioning inside. And it can keep you warm inside, but there's also a campfire inside, and there's a hole for the smoke to go out, of course. But it might be too hot in there, so I added a bunch of air conditioning vents. And those are just make believe. And the last one is about number one, number two, number three. All three sisters' ideas combined together. I decided to make a hotel that was underground, and that also had cool shapes, and also had warm fabric. So I decided to make a kind of straight up up rectangle. You see, a rectangle is like this, right? But I made it like this, standing. It's like it's standing on his legs. So it's a really thin one, and inside the when you jump down, there's a bunch of cotton inside to have for you to have a soft landing, and then you'll slide down on the cotton, and then there will be a slide that you can slide down after the cotton place, and then you're inside. You need to pay. You need to go down the elevator, get your room, and then there on the third floor there's a kitchen, and there's cotton inside, which makes it really warm. I put a bunch of air conditioning. And outside, I also put some slopes like this, and it curves like and then it curves down. So when wind comes, this is my design. The wind's right here, and then this is the slope, and then the wind follows the slope, and then it goes that way. That's a pretty good design, except the top doesn't have cover. And it's kind of like a secret underground bunker, because when you enter, you need to enter through a small door, a rectangular door, and it's right on top of the ground. You can see something on the back. It's curved. There's a door right here, and then when you go inside, you jump down. There's a cotton, and there's a slide. Yeah, you're in. And also, we voted for whose was the best. I got voted best because I put so much detail in it. And I played at recess catchy thingy, which is basically you take this. There's a ball inside. You throw it to another person. The other person tries to catch it, and then it repeats on and on until a person can't catch it. Duh. And that's all it for this this day's talk. See you tomorrow.